Hello everyone, I am Deepamala Mishra working as a head facilitator at KLAY Hinjewadi Phase 2, Pune. First of all, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to KLAY for providing such an inspiring platform for all of us. And also, I would like to thank each and every individual who has supported me throughout this project. Seed bomb making project is a fun and engaging way to make children aware of the greenery. This project promotes tactile learning, fine motor skills and creativity while developing a sense of responsibility among themselves.
Congratulations, Deepmala, on winning the I Swear project. We are so proud of you and your amazing work towards sustainability. We are so happy to have you with us and keep shining your light. Again, congratulations, Deepmala.
We've always seen Deepmala work with passion and commitment to make every day a fun-loving experience. Her dedication towards understanding and catering to each child's needs is truly inspiring. Congratulations, Deepmala, on this wonderful achievement. Keep striving and shining.
Congratulations, Deepmala. You have been an invaluable asset to our Hinjewadi Center. Your patience, enthusiasm, and creativity have made learning joyful and fun experience for our little one. Your ability to simplify complex concepts has truly been impressive. We are grateful for your dedication and commitment. Congratulations and a big thank you.